Yep. All right. Decided to do a prediction on the major pairs here. All right. So on CAD. Oh, that closed. Yeah, that's done. This one is still open. Let me see. Um, so on CAD here. All right, this one's headed up to 10, and this is probably a few years or whatever. But this one's headed up to. It's going to end up hitting 1.03487. Um, on CHF continuing to fall. Consistence. This one headed back up. This one headed back up. The high forever. The future. No, this is the future. Like a couple years from now. Okay. This is going to be going to 0.77221. Um, these are the open harmonics. I don't see any here, so those have closed. So there is no future prediction for RJPY. NZD. We've got this is one up here. Might have been accidentally moved. I gotta recheck that one. It might be on the daily, but for today, um, so this has been staying. It started to head back up, so had a big fall right there. Um, so yeah, it's going down the harmonic. Gonna touch my other target of 1.05589. Might hit this one too before ever getting back up to 1.03307. But this will close in the future. These are going to happen. We don't know when, but they're going to happen. And this one, I was going to say here, see that line here? That's going to happen. And this one up here. And there's another one. Well, hold on. Oh, yeah, yeah. So this one's going to happen here. About, thereabout. Yeah. 1.010755. This has got to close next. Yeah, this one's coming next. Let me see. Hasn't cut off. Hmm. Not yet, at least. Yeah, I don't think it's done it yet. Let's see if I can. No, not yet. It's not activated yet. So it's gonna range more. This one more down for this one. CAD CHF. Lord have mercy. 1.25253. So these are gonna happen. It could be some kind of world change of events, like a world changing thing. Something's going to happen to a lot of these that's going to change the world. I don't know what it is, but it's saying this says that there is news that will happen, that it will cause these prices to fulfill. It always predicts the future news. So whatever it needs to be is what it's going to be. Okay? Whatever it needs to be is what it is going to be, my friend. My friend. This is headed down this way right now. So you're looking at these gonna hit. That's gonna hit. And so I mean, that's another what 2,337 pips. Let's see, NCAT, CHF, JPY, which was always in an uptrend. No limit. It's just no telling. Will it ever reverse? Yes. It's gonna come down here to the edge of that right there. And oh, there's another one. And this one. So yes, CHF JPY will come down to 76.1, 76.61. So it's a megalodon. Yeah, it's a megalodon, man. Yeah, I discovered that back in 2022 down here. I discovered that price. 99.99.99. Then we have a target up here. Your AUD future prediction. And the low that it will ever get to is going to be right here. These will close. Right now, it's headed toward this one. So many. I mean, I made a lot of these lines back in the day, and they're all closed. Um, yeah, well, anyway, this one. So this one is going to fulfill. It's going to be 1.75422. An upper one, 1.24028. Will come back. And there's 1.67 that is going to return right there. Don't know when from a world changing event. Who knows? Whatever it's going to take. Oh, actually, it's already started. Chances are this is already started because we got a harmonic forming and that's going to break out. Yeah, sorry to take that back. Yeah, this is cut off, right? Oh boy. Yeah. So that's coming up. If you want to hold your position for 2 years, 3, 4 years, I'm not saying you're going to do that, but I mean, you could. You can do whatever you want to do. This price is going to return down to this point. Whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do. See, a lot of these closed. That price closed. Uh, this one. This one just closed. Don't need that anymore. These are all green lines or all prices I said that would happen. All right. Got down here, it's going to return down to that line, that red line. Um, this bottom line, 94, is going to happen. Oh, this one already closed. All right, let me see. Or is this a new, or is it another one that opened up? Probably, I think it's another one that opened up. Yeah, it's another one. So, leave that up. 169 is going to happen. Oh, it already happened. Sorry. Oops. My bad. Just, anyway. Said it's gonna happen. It's already happened, you idiot. I'm looking at the chart. I'm like, that's gonna happen. Yeah. All right. So, and then it's gonna form. It's saying that that's gonna form. Most likely, it will. And we got a price that will happen at 2.57768. That will happen in the future. I mean, I use the same technique to predict Bitcoin, the top and bottom of Bitcoin. We got one there. There's another one up here. I'm just gonna. That's and oh, there's another one up here. They're gonna return. They're gonna close. hmm In the future, Euro USD is going to 1.6. Oh my God, 1.6. What would happen to the US? So that's a US collapse. Like yes, that means that the US is gonna collapse first. It's gonna collapse first somehow. Something like that. Something's gonna save the European Union. GBP AUD prices coming. That's gonna come down. Upper up here. That's gonna fulfill. This is gonna happen here. That's gotta close. So possibly come down here first again before headed up. And it's already look. My highest one is already closing. Oh, second highest. Yeah, that's why I just put that up to David. I mean, I had the highest one, and these are all just one, two, three, cascading. Used to be future predictions, and now it's like September 2022. I predicted this one right here, and it closed today. I mean, it took a year. It's crazy. This one up here. This one up here. So we've got some major highs that are going to return. Guaranteed. Like, I bet everything I've got. Like, guaranteed. I'm just telling you, this is not a joke. All right. So those are going to happen. These values are going to take place, bro. Could be 4 years, a decade. Who knows, right? But it's going to happen. See a big yang in that direction, start trading that way. Um, this didn't quite close, so it still has to close. So left it open, it's coming back. Oh, this is nice. Oh, wow. This is very bullish. Oh, man. This is activated now. Look, this is GBP NTD. It's going up here, man. Man, it's gonna be, the world's gonna, there's a lot that's gonna change, man. The charts say it, that the world is, this is gonna be, this is a shift. Somehow, some way, there's gonna be some big shift. Um, Big shit. Big shift that is going to take place worldwide. And it's coming. This chart saying it's coming. Damn. I don't know what to say, honestly. It's not gonna reach the high, but it'll be here. And some of these it's gonna totally crash, man. Interesting. Hmm. I don't even feel like doing any more of these. But it's just I wanted to give you guys a few of these. These are old targets that I placed on the chart. Old targets. I told Trading View to suck my. Yeah, man. They were like, "Oh, you gotta buy a plan before you can talk to support." Fuck you. So I gotta pay. I mean, I already given. It's sad. How much money have I paid them, and they can't even ask one question? Like I said, suck my balls. You know what I'm saying? Suck my balls, motherfucker. I'm just anyway. It's about like I don't like paying them anymore because of this. Calm down. So, wow, look at that. Who's get bored off that? I mean, look at this. You would have been just for 3 years, 1,500 days, man. You just would have made 52%. Okay, so I don't feel like going through here, but let's look at USD JPY. I have I think I don't have it. Yeah, I don't have a mark for that. It's past every possible prediction I could come up with. Except the low. The low is going to happen. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Like something's gonna happen where US dollar is gonna get weak against the Japanese yen. So all right, that's it. I think see USDC and H of China if anybody cares. China has it's going just straight up. It's not even turning around really. It's just straight up. Trader Van for it straight up. All right, so that's it for my predictions. I'll see you guys on the next one.